Hello! Well done, you've reached the end of Module 1. So by now you will have reviewed the timeline of education and the different ages and stages for joining a boarding school, and hence you will have made a decision at what age you would like your child to join a boarding school, and now have a bit of an understanding on how that process works. You'll have been through some of the jargon. You might have downloaded our app to help you with looking at what happens at each stage of education. And you will also have started to fill in your initial checklist of what's important to you in terms of what you're looking for in a boarding school. So don't forget to download that checklist from the resources section and go through it carefully, because the more you think about now the criteria that you are going to be looking for, the easier the research process is going to be when we move to Module 2. So I will look forward to seeing you in the next module.